All right, busy moms, check this out. You'll be able to resonate with this one. Our little guy is 1 year old. It's so hard to believe it was like a whole year of chaos and madness and diapers and throw up and poop. You know what I'm talking about. Let's get to the nitty gritty. So when it comes to raising a child, to me as a fitness professional, it's very similar. So here's the thing is that when you commit to a program, you commit for long term, right? Like for kids, for children. Obviously, you don't commit for 2 weeks or 2 months. But so many times we join a fitness program and after 2 weeks, we're like, I'm going to try something different. So commitment is the first thing. You have to commit to your fitness program as you would a child, fully commit all in. And then what you want to do is you want to compartmentalize, that's a tough word, or break it up into sectors. So week by week, month by month, and then you can better rationalize everything that's going on, tracking your progress and stay on track. That's how you find your success.